bit on the green moss that you have seen that I started to use recently, and also about how I foliar feed I will talk today. And basically I am applying the same let's say substance, so fertilizer mix, to the top of the roots as well and to the moss, and it is all working out pretty well in my opinion. So I will start with some tap water this time, and the tap water today is quite high. It is about 200 ppm, but that is okay. And I will add or I hope I will be able to add about 60 ppm of magnesium sulfate, and about the same quantity of calcium nitrate. So here I have some magnesium sulfate, so I will just sprinkle a bit. Here in this bottle I have about 6 or 7 liters of water, and I will add a bit of calcium nitrate as well. The magnesium sulfate you can buy it from any pet shop, and the calcium nitrate that I use, it is from Cana. So I will take a bit, you can see, I hope. This is how much I used, and put it there, and hopefully I will have my desired concentration. Now these two nutrients are best absorbed in a pH range from 6.5 to 8. So I think I won't need to adjust the pH this time. I will try to mix it as best as I can, and then I will test it. Right now about 288 ppm, which in my opinion I believe it is enough. So I guess I have 40 and 40 from each nutrient. Let's check the pH as well. So we need it to be from 6.5 to 8. And right now it is at 736, something of the sort, so I won't adjust the pH. But in any case, the pH down solution that I use, it is again from Cana. I really like this brand, and it is not very concentrated, so I cannot burn and harm myself, so that is what I am aiming for. Okay, now let's show you the orchids. Oopsie. Okay, so here I have a Miltoniopsis. The moss is still green and looking pretty. Another 2 of them. I hope you can see that. I recently moved in live moss some Miltoniopsis and Masdevallia orchids. This is the Nelly Eiler, which I put up in live moss about 1 week and a half ago, let's say, and the roots are starting to grow faster, and the moss it's still live and nice, so it is doing pretty well. Now let's go in the living room, and here it is my beautiful Cattleya, and the moss hasn't been watered for the past 5 days, and it's still green. Here is the Paphiopedilum. Again, the moss is green. It is dry, but I will water it in a moment. What do I have? The BC St. Andre, the same situation. It's green but dry. The Cattleya Dowiana. This is really actually crunchy, so this needs water immediately. Phalaenopsis, Leila purpurata. So it's looking pretty good. Now let's show you the Vanda. Oops. Let's try not to harm any orchids. I usually am watering the orchids before I do the cleaning of the house, because usually I'm doing some mess. So whenever I'm showing you things like that and you see a mess, it is right before I clean my house. Okay, so this the moss, it's again dry but green. So the moss won't really die all that fast, if you know what I mean. And that is a pomp spray that I use in my bathroom, and I'm doing some pressure, spraying a bit the moss, and then let it dry, and spray it again the next day or in a few days, depending how I have time. And the moss, it's green and luscious. Okay guys, so I hope you know what, I will actually show you how I spray one of the orchids. Let's say the Cattleya. I will bring in a moment the bottle so I can spray it. Okay, so here we are. I made a bit of pressure inside, and now let's show you how I do it. So I just lightly, very little, I just put a bit of water on it. And that seems to do the trick for me, the orchids, and the moss loves it. Now, I think I want to apply this a bit on the roots of the Vanda too, so I will spray it gently, just a bit. That is enough. Let's see what else we have. The Porphyr petalum, right? Oopsie. Again, very easily. And that is all pretty much what I do. So okay guys, I hope right now you got the idea of this, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!